Hello, everyone. Allison Shaw speaking. As a fitness instructor and wellness coach, I'm thrilled to introduce you to Meditation Success Stories, a collection of authentic narratives sourced from online platforms and refined for both grammatical precision and auditory clarity. These stories aim to captivate and inspire. Here is one of these stimulating gems, so without further ado, let's dive in.
Here's another compelling narrative from Blake Powell, who shares his transformative journey. 10 minutes of meditation a day changed my life. Do you long for greater happiness and improvement in every facet of your life? Meditation isn't merely a passing fad. It's a potent tool for enriching your life and laying the foundation for enduring happiness. I vividly recall the moment when I first encountered Eckhart Tolle's The Power of Now. It completely reshaped my perception of the world around me. Tolle's book advocates for embracing the present moment instead of resisting it. Rather than grappling with the question, how can I be present, you simply quiet your mind and immerse yourself in the here and now. Free from the burdens of the past or future, this embrace of the moment is pivotal for a life filled with contentment, not devoid of worry, but not fixated on it either. The profound impact of meditation is evident in the lives of countless individuals who have walked this path before us. Leo Babauta, the visionary behind Zen Habits, guides readers toward better habits and simpler, healthier living. Among the myriad of mindfulness techniques, Babauta champions meditation as the cornerstone habit, the bedrock upon which everything else is built. By harnessing the power of your mind through meditation, remarkable transformations become possible. Cultivating calmness and focusing on the present unlocks your potential for greatness in the here and now, rather than some distant future. So why meditate? I'll admit I was initially skeptical of meditation, a supposed panacea for life's challenges, seemingly reserved for a select few, but I was mistaken. Meditation might not be for everyone, and that's okay, yet I believe it could benefit countless individuals who have yet to discover its wonders or are hesitant to embark on the journey. The beauty of meditation lies in its accessibility. Anyone can do it, and failure isn't an option. It's a skill honed over time, much like reading. You start with simpler texts before tackling the more complex ones. The stumbling block for many is the desire for instant results. We embark on new habits expecting immediate transformation, only to abandon them when progress seems elusive. But the true essence of meditation lies not in the results but in the process itself. Through meditation, we learn to observe our thoughts without becoming entangled in them. We acknowledge their presence and gently guide our focus back to the present moment. It's akin to entangling a web of thoughts and emotions, realizing their power only exists if we grant it. For those unsure of where to begin, guidance is readily available. Programs like Headspace offer structured sessions, making meditation accessible to all. With just 10 minutes a day, preferably in the morning, results manifest surprisingly quickly. Within weeks, I found myself more attuned to my thoughts, effortlessly redirecting my focus to the present moment. As I delved deeper into meditation, its benefits extended beyond mere mindfulness. It catalyzed a cascade of positive habits, writing, reading, journaling, and fostered a happier, healthier lifestyle. In essence, meditation transformed my life, and it can transform yours too. It prompted introspection, revealing my true aspirations and urging me to seize the present moment. It instilled a sense of calmness, reminding me to pause and breathe. And it underscored the importance of taking stock of my life, propelling me toward my dreams with unwavering determination. Meditation also played a pivotal role in refining my novel, guiding its evolution from a raw draft to a polished manuscript. When you consistently meet your daily goals, profound changes unfold in your life. It all begins with mindfulness techniques today, paving the way for a brighter tomorrow.
Hello again, it's Allison. I hope you found our meditation success story engaging. If you'd like to be notified of future stories, click the subscribe button below. My own journey mirrors many of the transformative experiences shared. Just like me, you possess the power to revolutionize your life through meditation. Personal miracles await those committed to a daily meditation practice. That's guaranteed. If you're seeking significant change in your life, I urge you to explore meditation with the guidance of a coach. In the description below, you'll discover a link to one of the world's top meditation teachers, Giovanni Dienstmann, who ranks among the top 5 globally. He generously offers free introductory lessons accessible through the provided link. If you found this message resonant, show your support by liking, commenting, or sharing your thoughts below. Wishing you the best on your journey, and thanks for your time.